Hi everyone, this is Purnima Mahalingam, and you are going to watch a new video lecture series on field theory. In this field theory, first topic we are going to discuss about what are the sources and effect of electromagnetic field. So this is the first class of this series, and we are going to introduction about this series. Come, let's go to the video. Here, first we are going to discuss what we will discuss here is first one is what are the electromagnetic field. So what are the electromagnetic field? So next one is sources of electromagnetic field. What are the sources of electromagnetic field? And next one is what are the effect of electromagnetic field? And finally, we can move on with the practical applications. Okay. Here first. So basically, we know that we have two field. One is an electric field, and next one is magnetic field. See, we have two field. One is an electric field and magnetic field. Both the field are invisible forces of field generated by the earth field and uses of electricity. So this both field is an invisible force of field generated by earth field and uses of electricity, both the field. Okay. Now we are going to see what is electromagnetic field and electric field and magnetic field. We can see what is electric field and magnetic field. Here you can see the picture. So in this picture, what I have seen is we have a switch, power switch, power points, power plug switch, and we have two lamps. You can see we have two lamps which is connected with the power switch. Okay, here. So first lamp, this lamp plug in but switch is in off condition. First lamp, what happens? It is plug in with the switch, and what happens is the switch is in off condition. And second lamp, we can see the second lamp. This lamp, the switch is in on condition. So now, when the lamp is connected with the supply, but the switch is in off condition, that means there is no flow of electrons. That is, there is no flow of current. What happens? Only electric field is produced in the around the cable. So around the cable, only electric field is produced. This field is known as electric field. Now, coming to magnetic field. Here the magnetic field, the same here same. When the switch is on, what happens? The flow of electrons, the electrons are moving. So here the flow of electrons are moving. What the flow of electrons is known as current. When the current passes, what happens? That the magnetic field is produced. The magnetic field is produced, and already we have an electric field, and the magnetic field is produced when the supply is on. When the flow of electrons is allowed, then magnetic field is produced. Here we can say here we have only electric field, and here we have both electric and magnetic field. This is the major difference between electric and magnetic field. Now coming to electromagnetic field. Here we can say electromagnetic field is between the charges. We can say there's a positive charges and we have a negative charges, and this is between the charges is an electromagnetic field. Here. Here we can see that what is the sources of EMF, sources of electromagnetic field. Here we can see so many sources. So first is low frequency sources. These are all the low frequency sources, that is known as non-isolated radiation sources. Non-isolated radiation sources. Here the frequency is very low frequency. You can see the waveform itself. Here we have low frequency, and the now next one is radio frequency. The radio frequency, this frequency is a little bit higher than the first one. First one is we have we know the sockets, home switches, and mobile phone, laptops, and towers. These are all the low frequency switches. Low frequency fields. Here the radio frequency. Here the particular radio waves, they have one of particular frequencies, and that frequency is high when compared to the other frequencies. And third frequency is an ionization radiation frequency. Here the ionization radiation frequencies, what is it? Infrared rays, and visible lights, and ultraviolet voltage, and whatever all the X-rays and these rays. For these ranges, the frequencies are high. Here the frequencies are high, even 10 to the power 22. The frequencies are high, and it is this is what an high frequency. So basically the radiations divided into two types. One is non-ionization radiation and ionization radiations, and we know that this is a small example. We can see the non-ionization and ionization radiation around us. Okay, next is effect. What are the effect of electromagnetic field? We know that by using Wi-Fi, what are the things electromagnetic waves we are using? What is Wi-Fi, satellite? It produces the waves, and mobile phones and towers and whatever calcies, whatever may be. These and systems and laptops, whatever electronic gadgets, when the supply is on, what happens? It produces both electrical and magnetic field, both electrical and magnetic field, and this affects the humans. Automatically it affects the humans. Because of this electromagnetic effect, humans can get affected and get more diseases. These are the main effect of because of this electromagnetic field. Okay. Now, we have a small video about electromagnetic field. Um, and this video, we can see what is an electromagnetic field. Yes.
What is an electromagnetic field?
Yeah.
Both
Yeah, what is an
naturally occurring
electromagnetic
and
field?
man-made in origin,
It is a main
electromagnetic
man
fields are created
origin.
through the motion of an electric charge.
Yes.
A static charge creates an electric field.
Here the static
A
charge
moving
create
charge
an
or electric current
moving electric
creates a
current. There
magnetic
is an
field.
electric current,
The interaction between the electric field and magnetic
magnetic
field
field,
produces an electromagnetic field.
electromagnetic field,
Electromagnetic fields are typically grouped into two categories depending on their frequency. They
based on
are
the frequency
non-ionizing and
and
ionizing.
ionizations. Already
Non-ionizing
seen
is a low level of radiation and consists of low to mid-frequency
some
electromagnetic
non-ionic
fields, including
ionizations at a
scattering
low
fields.
range of
They are
frequency.
generally considered harmless to humans. Sources of
Sources
non-ionizing
ionization
radiation include MRI machines,
MRI
power
machines,
plants,
power lines,
infrared devices,
yes,
computers and televisions,
computers,
cell
intelligence,
phones,
cell phones,
microwave ovens, and
microwave
Wi-Fi and
ovens,
Bluetooth devices.
and Bluetooth
Ionizing
devices.
is a high level of radiation that
Ionization
consists
is
of
an IL of
high-frequency
radiations.
electromagnetic fields, which have the potential for cellular and DNA
And
damage.
yeah,
Sources
okay.
of ionizing radiation include
Sources
tanning
is
beds, high-energy ultraviolet light, X-rays, and gamma rays.
X-rays
If
and
you'd like this
gamma rays.
information on electromagnetic fields, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Yes. So in this video, we have seen what are the electromagnetic fields and what the applications, where it is used. What is ionization, what is the non-ionizations, and with an examples. With another topic, we can see in the next video. Thank you so much.